Hi, my name is Andrew Farrow, and in this video, I'm going to show how to use a Raspberry Pi to monitor network hosts for connectivity and to send an email if any are detected to have gone down. For this project, I'll simply need a Raspberry Pi and the network it's going to monitor. No other tools or devices are needed. This project would be useful to network administrators, technicians, or anyone who needs to maintain a network with a host or device that must always be up. It would be very easy to extend the usefulness of this setup to add other objectives on top of just monitoring your network hosts. To give you an example, you could take the new information that one of your hosts is down and use that to update the HTML file your Apache server is using to serve your web traffic. So not only are you getting an alert that something is down, but your web page or whatever can be updated to automatically reflect that. Or it could be used to monitor performance and throughput and feed those stats to a database file that could be dynamically queried to determine if, for instance, other network devices or servers needed to be enabled or disabled as the demand requires. So the setup couldn't be simpler. All that is going to be needed is a script that is set to run on a schedule with cron. Here's a look at the script I wrote, and it's this that is going to run every half hour or every 10 minutes or 5 minutes depending on what the scenario is. Here's the cron tab file, and the command that is needed is that last one at the bottom. What that says is to run this script, the .sh file, every 0 minutes and every 30 minutes, and every hour and every day. Now I'm going to walk through the script. For this first part, it sets the sentinel value for fails to false. That way it can enable whenever a host is not detected. The host variable is expandable. Any number of addresses can be put there and the script will cycle through them by itself. Count is just how many times each host is going to be checked, and the next part is the information needed to fill in the email parameters. For this second part, it starts with a for loop going through each host that has been given to the host variable from before. Then it will ping each host a number of times determined by count, then grep the number of successfully received pings. If that grep is 0, it will set the fail sentinel to true and add that host to the list of hosts that need to be added to the alert. For this last part, it tests if there were any failed checks, and if there were, it clears out the old message file, then starts adding the information needed to send the alert. The line that echoes the fail hosts will add every host that has been detected, and it ends with sending the email that has been created. Here is an image of my email folder showing a received email from the Raspberry Pi. And with that, it brings us to the end of my video. To wrap up, I just want to say what I said before. It wouldn't be very hard at all to expand what this setup is capable of accomplishing, ranging from adding more features or checks to managing devices on the network based on dynamic data. There are a ton of uses that can be found for this device. And with that, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you found some of it useful. Thank you.